Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. Today we are going to discuss very important and interesting topic, time and distance. We get questions frequently in every competitive exam. Whether you write banking exam, RRB exam, SSC exam, CIT exam, whatever the exam, we get questions frequently in this topic. If you want to solve difficulty questions, first you need to be strong on basics. You need to be strong on basics, not 99%. You need to be strong on 100%. Okay, so if you're preparing for any competitive exam, the chapter weightage is 1 to 5 marks. The chapter weightage is 1 to 5 marks. That's why it's a very important topic, guys. Before going to solve these questions, let us see some basic points. Okay, so time, distance and speed. Okay, so what are the units of time, guys? Hours and minutes and seconds. What are the units of time? So hours, minutes and seconds. Next, what are the units of distance? So kilometers and meters. What are the units of distance? Kilometers and meters. Next, what are the units of speed? So kilometer per hour or meter per second. Kilometer per hour or meter per second. Okay, so what are the units of time, guys? Hours and minutes and seconds. Okay, so what are the units of distance? Kilometers and meters. What are the units of speed? Kilometer per hour or meter per second. Okay, so just remember, guys, this is the magic triangle. Okay, so distance, speed into time. Distance, speed into time. For example, I want to time formula. Just close them the time and remaining is distance by speed. Okay, what is the formula of time? Distance by speed. Okay, for example, I want to distance formula. Just close them the distance and remaining is speed into time. So what is the formula of distance? Speed into time. For example, I want to speed formula. Just close them the speed and remaining is distance by time. So speed is equal to distance by time. These three basic formulas are very important, guys. Okay, what is the formula of time? Distance by speed. What is the formula of distance? Speed into time. What is the formula of speed? Distance by time. And this topic, units are very important, guys. Units are very important. Okay, and move on to next point, guys. Okay, next second point, conversions. Convert kilometer per hour to meter per second and convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. Okay, so first point, convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. Directly we are using 5 by 18. 5 by 18. Okay, so convert kilometer per hour to meters. So 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters, right? 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. Next, convert hours to seconds. Okay, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Okay, 0 cancel, again 0 cancel. Then 2 5s are and 2 3s are. So numerator is how much? 5. Denominator is how much? 3 into 6, 18. Every time 1000 by 60 into 60. So don't use, guys, every time. That's why, so we are using 5 by 18. Directly we are using 5 by 18. For example, so the question like this, convert 72 kilometer per hour to meter per second. For example, convert 72 kilometer per hour to meter per second. So directly we are using 5 by 18. So 18 ones are 18 fours are 72 and 4 5s are 20 meter per second. That's why directly we are using 5 by 18. Coming to the second point, convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. We are using directly 18 by 5. Just reverse, guys. 18 by 5. Just remember these 2 points, guys. It's very important. Next point, average speed. Next point, average speed. For example, guys, a boy moving house to school. For example, a boy moving house to school with speed of 60 kilometer per hour. For example, guys, a boy moving house to school with speed of 60 kilometer per hour and come back to home with speed of 40 kilometer per hour and come back to home with speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Then find the average speed. Then find the average speed. Okay, a boy going to school and come back to home. Okay, a boy going to school and come back to home. The distance is same or different? Yes, the distance is same. Then the average speed is then 2 into product by A into B by A plus B. 2 into product by sum. The distance is same, then the average speed is 2 into product by sum. Then is equal to, then 2 into the speeds is how much? 60 kilometer per hour and 40 kilometer per hour. The sum is how much? 60 plus 40, 100 kilometer per hour. So 0 0 cancel, again 0 0 cancel. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 12 4s are 48 kilometer per hour. The average speed is how much, guys? 48 kilometer per hour. The distance is same, then the average speed is 2 into product by sum. Okay, for example guys, for example, the total distance is 600 kilometers. For example, the total distance is 600 kilometers. A person moving first 400 kilometers. A person moving first 400 kilometers with speed of 80 kilometer per hour. With speed of 80 kilometer per hour, and remaining distance with speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Then find the average speed. Then find the average speed. Okay, the total distance is how much? 600 kilometers. A person moving first 400 kilometers with speed of 80 kilometer per hour, and remaining distance with speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Then find the average speed. Then find the average speed. Total distance is how much, guys? 600. First half is how much? 400. Remaining half is how much? 200. Right? 200 kilometer. The distance is same or different? So the distance is different because first half is 400, second half is 200 kilometer. The distance is different, then the average speed is total distance by total time taken. Total distance by total time taken. Total distance is how much? 600 kilometers. Total time is how much? A time is given? No. First find out the time. What is the formula of time? So time is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. First find out the first time. Okay, so first distance is how much? 400 kilometers, and speed is how much? 80 kilometer per hour, and 0 0 cancel. 8 1s are 8 5s are, then 5 hours. Total 400 kilometers. It takes how many hours? 5 hours. Okay, and find out the second time. Second time, so distance is how much? 200 kilometers, and speed is how much? 40 kilometer per hour, and 0 0 cancel. So 4 1s are 4 5s are, then 5 hours. The total time is how much? 10 hours. Okay, and substitute here 10 hours. Okay, and 0 0 cancel, then is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. The average speed is how much, guys? 60 kilometer per hour. Just remember, guys, the distance is same, then the average speed is 2 into product by sum. The distance is different, then the average speed is total distance by total time taken. So next point, guys, it's a very important point. Relative speed. Okay, relative speed. For example, guys, one person moving, so city A to city B. For example, one person moving city A to city B. Okay, with the speed of x kilometer per hour. For example, guys, one person moving city A to city B with speed of x kilometer per hour. Another person also moving city A to city B with speed of y kilometer per hour. Then y kilometer per hour. Okay, so find the relative speed. Find the relative speed. Two persons are moving in the same direction or opposite direction, guys. So two persons are moving in the same direction. The relative speed is s is equal to x minus y. S is equal to x minus y. Okay, two persons are moving in the same direction. The relative speed is s is equal to x minus y. Okay, so this formula also using trains problems. Okay, so for example, one person or one bus, one car, anything, guys, moving in the same direction, the relative speed is s is equal to x minus y. Okay, coming to the second point, same example, one person moving, so city A to city B with speed of x kilometer per hour, with speed of x kilometer per hour. Another person coming city B to city A with speed of y kilometer per hour, y kilometer per hour. Then find the relative speed. So two persons are two buses, two cars, two trains, anything guys moving in the opposite direction, then the relative speed is s is equal to x plus y. It's a very important guys. Okay, two trains, two buses, two cars, two bicycles, two persons, anything, okay, moving in the opposite direction, the relative speed is s is equal to x plus y. Okay, so two persons are moving in the same direction, two persons are moving in the same direction, the relative speed is s is equal to x plus y, x plus y. For example guys, one second. For example, so the distance between A and B is 90 kilometers. For example guys, the distance between A and B is 90 kilometers. One person moving A to B with speed of 20 kilometer per hour, with speed of 20 kilometer per hour at 7 a.m. Okay, so another person coming B to A with speed of 25 kilometer per hour. Okay, another person coming B to A with speed of 25 kilometer per hour at 8 a.m. At what time two persons are metered? At what time two persons are metered? Okay, find out the time guys. Okay, find out the time. What is the formula of time? So distance by speed. Distance by speed. Distance is how much? 90 kilometers. Okay, and speed is how much? Okay, first person speed is how much? 20 kilometer per hour, and second person speed is how much? 25 kilometer per hour. So two persons are moving in the opposite direction or same direction? Opposite direction. What is the relative speed? S is equal to x plus y. Then 20 plus 25 is equal to, so 45 kilometer per hour. Speed is how much guys? 45 kilometer per hour, and substitute here 45 kilometer per hour, and 45 ones, 45 twos is equal to 2 hours. Somebody saying 2 hours. It is a wrong answer guys. It's a wrong answer, because first person moving at what time? 7 o'clock. Second person moving at what time? 8 o'clock, right? So difference is how much? 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. First person moving at 7 o'clock, second person moving at 8 o'clock. So difference is how much? 1 hour. And first person covered 1 hour, how much distance? First person covered how much distance in 1 hour? So the speed is given 20 kilometer per hour. What is the meaning of 20 kilometer per hour? Per hour 20 kilometers. Per hour how many kilometers first person travel? 20 kilometers. And 1 hour, so 20 kilometers traveled. Okay, so remaining distance is how much? 70 kilometers. Yes, very good. So remaining distance is how much? 70 kilometers. Okay, distance is how much guys? So 70 kilometers. So time is 8 o'clock exactly, and second person also moving exactly 8 o'clock. Okay, first equal the time. So distance is how much? 70 kilometers, and speed is how much? Speed is same. Two persons are moving in the opposite direction. Then the relative speed is s is equal to x plus y. So 20 plus 25 is equal to 45 kilometer per hour, and calculate. So 45 ones, 1 hour 56 minutes after approximately guys. So 1 hour 56 minutes two persons are metered. Okay. So the given problem, time is given, first equal that time and find out the answer. Okay, so two persons are moving in the opposite direction. What is the relative speed? S is equal to x plus y. Two persons are moving in the same direction. The relative speed is s is equal to x minus y. Is it clear guys? So coming to the first question guys. A car travels 150 kilometers in 3 hours and then travels next 2 hours at 60 kilometer per hour. Then the travel speed of the car will be. Okay, I think very dead easy question guys. Okay, so find out the average speed. Okay, so the given information. Okay, the given information, a car travel how many kilometers first? 150 kilometers. Okay, taking how many hours? 3 hours. Next to travel with a speed of 60 kilometer per hour. So taking how many hours? 2 hours. Find out the average speed, guys. Find out the average speed. First distance is how much? 150 kilometers. Second distance is given here? No. Okay. So second distance is given here, guys. Okay. So 60 kilometer per hour. Okay. So 1 hour how many kilometers? 60 kilometers. 2 hours how many kilometers? 120 kilometers. Yes, very good. Okay. 120 kilometers. Okay, first distance is how much? 150. Second distance is how much? 120. Distance is same here? No. So distance is different. Then the average speed is, what is the average speed? Total distance by total time taken. Total distance by total time taken. Total distance is how much? So 150 plus 120 by, so 3 plus 2. Okay, then is equal to 150 plus 120 is how much? So 270 by 5 hours. 3 plus 2, 5 hours. Okay, then 5 ones are, so 5 5s are 25. Okay, next 5 4s are 20. Then is equal to, so 54 kilometer per hour. The average speed is how much, guys? 54 kilometer per hour. I think very dead easy. So next question. A thief goes away with a Santro car at a speed of 40 km per hour. The theft has been discovered after half an hour and the owner sets off in a bike at a speed of 50 km per hour. When will the owner overtake the thief from the start? Okay, when will the owner overtake the thief from the start? Okay, look at the diagram, guys. Here a thief goes away with a Santro car with speed of 40 km per hour. Okay, after half an hour, owner sets off in a bike with speed of 50 km per hour. So when will the owner overtake the thief? And find out the time. Find out the time. What is the formula of time, guys? So distance by speed. So distance is given here? Yes, given here. Okay. So thief speed is how much? 40 km per hour. 1 hour how many kilometers? 40 kilometers. Here is given half an hour. 1 hour 40 kilometers and half an hour how many kilometers? 20 kilometers. Yes, distance is given. So 20 kilometers. Okay, and speed is given here? Yes. So owner speed is 50 km per hour and thief speed is 40 km per hour. Okay, so two persons are moving in the same direction or opposite direction. Two persons are moving in the same direction. What is the relative speed? S is equal to x minus y. Then 50 plus 40. So 50 minus 40 is how much? So 10 km per hour. So two persons are moving in the same direction. What is the relative speed? S is equal to x minus y. 50 minus 40 is equal to 10 km per hour. And 0 0 cancel is equal to, so 2 hours, right? After 2 hours, owner overtake the thief. What is the answer, guys? After 2 hours, owner overtake the thief. Is it clear, guys? Question. A person can cover a certain distance in 1 hour 24 minutes by covering 2/3 of the distance at 4 km per hour and remaining at 5 km per hour. Find the total distance. Find the total distance. Look at the diagram, guys, here. So a person can cover a certain distance. Certain distance is we don't know. Let x, guys. Certain distance is we don't know. Let x. By covering 2/3 of the distance with speed of 4 km per hour and remaining distance with speed of 5 km per hour. Okay, find the total distance means find out the x value. Find out the x value. Okay, so here is given, okay, 2/3 fraction. Total distance is how much? How many parts? Total distance 3 parts. Already 2 parts completed. Remaining how many parts? Only 1 part. Then 1/3 distance. Remaining distance is how much? 1/3. Total distance is we don't know, guys. Let x. Okay, so given problem, 2 distance, 2 speeds, 1 time is given. Use this formula. So d1 by s1 plus d2 by s2 is equal to t. Okay, so use this formula, guys. So 2 distance and 2 speeds, 1 time is given. Okay, d1 by s1 plus d2 by s2 is equal to t. Okay, so first distance is how much? 2/3 into x. 2/3 into x plus next, sorry. Okay, second distance is how much? 1/3 into x. Okay, first speed is how much? 4 km per hour and second speed is how much? 5 km per hour. Okay, given time is how much here? 1 hour 24 minutes. 1 hour 24 minutes. 1 hour 24 minutes converted into total hours. Okay, so first of all, so time converted into minutes. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes and plus 24 minutes. Total how many minutes? 84 minutes. Okay, so minutes converted into hours, then 84 by 60. 84 by 60. Okay, 12 sevens are and 12 fives are, then 7 by 5 hours. Then 7 by 5 hours. Okay, then 7 by 5 hours. Because so in this problem time units are hours, right? Time units are hours because here is given. So kilometer per hour, the time units are hours. Okay, that's why convert. So all time converted into hours, right? Okay, find out the x value guys here. Okay, so 2x by 3 into 4 12 plus and 1x by, so 3 5s are 15, then is equal to 7 by 5. Next 12 15, what is the LCM guys? So 12 15. Okay, so 12 15 LCM is how much? 60. First take the big number guys. Okay, don't use basic method, don't use basic method. Okay, so take the big number is 15. 15 is a multiples of 12? No. Okay, again add the big number guys. So 15 plus 15 30. 30 is a multiples of 12? No. Again add the big number. So 45. 45 is a multiples of 12? No. So again add the same number. Okay, 60. 60 is a multiples of 12? Yes. 12 5s are 60 and 15 4s are 60. That's why LCM is how much? 60. Okay, so 12 1s are 12 5s are, then 10x plus and 4x is equal to 7 by 5. Okay, so 10 plus 4 14x. 14x by 60 is equal to 7 by 5. Okay, so 7 1s are 7 2s are. Okay, next 5 1s are 5 12s are, 2 1s are 2 6s are, then x is equal to how many kilometers guys? 6 kilometers. So then which option is the right answer? Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Okay, look at the screen guys here. This process taking at least 2 to 3 minutes time, I think it's a waste of time. Then we are going to shortcut method guys. Then we are going to shortcut method guys. So let us assume guys, for example, let us assume okay, so look at the screen guys here. Let us assume first speed is how much? 4 kilometer per hour. Second speed is how much? So 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, the total time is given here 1 hour 24 minutes. 1 hour 24 minutes. Let us assume, so speed is same. For example guys, let us assume first speed is 4 kilometer per hour and second speed also 4 kilometer per hour, right? Okay, so 1 hour is equal to how many kilometers? 4 kilometers. So because 4 kilometer per hour we are taking, let us assume guys, so first distance 4 kilometer per hour and first speed is 4 kilometer per hour and second speed also 4 kilometer per hour. Let us assume guys. Okay, means 1 hour is equal to how many kilometers? Okay, 4 kilometers, right? So here is we are decreasing speed guys. Actually 5 kilometer per hour, right? Actual speed is 5 kilometer per hour. We are decreasing 1 kilometer per hour. That's why, so speed is, okay, speed is decreasing, time is increasing guys. Okay, speed inversely proportional to time, right? Just remember guys this point, speed is inversely proportional to time. Here speed is reducing guys, then time is increasing, then time is increasing. Just let us assume we are taking 30 minutes guys. Actual time is 1 hour 24 minutes. Okay, but here we are reduce the speed, then time is increasing. That's why let us assume 1 hour 30 minutes we are taking guys. Okay, 1 hour is equal to how many kilometers? 4 kilometers. Next remaining time is how much? 30 minutes means half an hour, right? So 1 hour 4 kilometers and half an hour is how much? 2 kilometers. Then 4 plus 2 6 kilometers, right? Which option is the right answer? Option 1 is the right answer. This process taking at least 1 minute below guys, 1 minute below. Okay, so use this method guys. Okay, let us assume guys, first taking 4 kilometer per hour and actually 5 kilometer per hour, but I am taking here 4 kilometer per hour. I am reducing speed guys. Speed is reduced and time is increasing guys. Time is increasing. That's why I am taking here 1 hour 30 minutes. Let us assume guys. Okay, so 4 kilometer per hour means 1 hour how many kilometers? 4 kilometers. Okay, then 30 minutes remaining here, guys. So 1 hour 4 kilometers, half an hour how many kilometers? 2 kilometers. 4 plus 2, 6 kilometers, right? Which option is the right answer? Option 1 is the right answer. Is it clear, guys? Next question. An old man and a young man are working together in an office and staying together in a nearby apartment. The old man takes 30 minutes and the young man 20 minutes to walk from apartment to office. If one day the old man started at 10 a.m. and the young man at 10:05 a.m. from the apartment to office, when will they meet? When will they meet? I think very dead easy, guys. When will they meet? So using without pen and paper, guys. To solve this question using without pen and paper, I think very dead easy, guys. I think very dead easy, guys. First, look at the carefully, guys. So old man takes 30 minutes time, young man takes 20 minutes time. Okay, so one day old man started at 10 a.m. and young man started at 10:05 a.m. At what time two persons are meted? The given options are, I'm going to go option verification, guys. The first option is 10:30, second option is 10:45, and third option is 10:15, and fourth option is 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Okay, so look at the screen, guys. So old man takes how many minutes? 30 minutes time, and old man takes 30 minutes time, old man in office at 10:30, and young man takes how many minutes time? 20 minutes time. Okay, both are same, so both are staying in office at 10:30, both are staying in office, so that's why first option is the wrong option. Okay, first option is the wrong option. And move on to second option, 10:45. So 10:45 also wrong option, because first option is 10:30 both are staying in office. Okay, that's why 10:45 also both are same in office. That's why second option also wrong option, and third option also wrong option. Okay, so third option also wrong option. And then which option is the right answer? Option C is the right answer. So 10:15. Okay, 10:15. Otherwise then go to the other method also, guys. Okay, no issue. So old man takes how many minutes? So 30 minutes. So and young man takes how many minutes? 20 minutes. The difference is how much? So difference is how much? 10 minutes. Okay, so difference is how much? 10 minutes. So old man one day moving 10 a.m. young man started 10:05. So difference is how much? 5 minutes. Then is equal to 15 minutes. Okay, so 10:15 a.m. both are meted at what time? 10:15 a.m. That's why option C is the right answer. Okay, so go through option verification, guys. I think very dead easy, guys, using without pen and paper. So move on to next question, guys. A person walked 6 kilometers to reach the station from his house. Then he boarded a train whose average speed was 60 km per hour, and thus he reached his destination. In this way, he took a total time of 3 hours. If the average speed of the entire journey was 32 km per hour, then the average speed of the walking is, find out the average speed, walking speed. Okay, so the given information, a person walking 6 km to reach the station. He is boarded train with speed of 60 km per hour. He reached his destination. Okay, total time is given, guys. Total time, house to destination. Total time is given here 3 hours, and total average speed is given here. So 32 km per hour. Okay, but total distance is given, not given here, guys. Okay, total distance not given here, but only walking distance is given. Then first find out the station to destination. Okay, first find out the distance of station to destination. Okay, so here is given total average speed is given and total time is given. Find out the total distance, guys. What is the formula of distance? Speed into time. So then 32 into 3 is equal to 96 kilometers. Okay, total distance is how much, guys? 96 kilometers. Already person walked 6 kilometers, and remaining distance is how much? 90 kilometers, right? 90 kilometers. So find out the average speed, guys. So what is the formula of speed? Distance by time. So walking distance is how much? 6 km per hour, and time is given? No. Total time is given here 3 hours, but walking time is not given. First find out the walking time. Okay, so let me see. So here is given a person moving station to destination, so speed is given and speed is given, distance is given. Then find out the time, guys. What is the formula of time? Distance by speed. So distance is how much? 90 kilometers and speed is how much? 60 kilometer per hour, and 0 0 cancel. Then 9 by 6 means 1 hour, so 15 minutes, or 50 minutes means 1.5 hour, guys. 1.5 means, so 1.5 hour. Okay, total time is how much? 3 hours. Okay, so 3 hours minus 1.5 is 1.5. okay, so remaining 1.5 hour moving, walking. Then substitute here, guys. Total time is given 3 hours. A person moving station to destination, okay, 1 hour 50 minutes, or 1.5 minutes, sorry, okay, or 1.5 hour, guys, no issue. 1.5 or 1.5 hour means same meaning, right? Okay, so total time is how much? 3 hours. 3 minus 1.5 hour means, so remaining is 1.5 hour. Okay, 1.5 is equal to, so multiply with the numerator and denominator with 10, guys. So 60 by, so 15. 60 by 15. So 15 ones are 15 fours are, then is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. Walking speed is how much, guys? 4 kilometer per hour. Which option is the right answer? Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Okay, look at the screen, guys. Here first I am finding total distance, guys. Okay, walking distance is given, but so station to and destination distance is not given. That's why find out the first station to destination distance. Okay, total time is given and total average speed is given. So 32 into 3, 96 kilometers. So already a person walked 6 kilometers. Remaining distance is how much? 90. 90 plus 6, 96. Okay, and find out the average speed, right? Walking speed. Find out the walking speed. Okay, what is the formula of speed? Distance by time. Distance is how much? 6 kilometers. Time is given here. Walking time? No. First find out the walking time. Okay, so this station to destination, so speed is given and distance is given, and find out the time, guys. Find out the time. What is the formula of time? Distance by speed. So distance is how much? 90 kilometers and speed is how much? 60 kilometer per hour. Then 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours means 1.5 hour, guys. Total 3 hours. Okay, so 3 hours minus 1.5 is again 1.5 hour. Again 1.5 hour a person walking. Okay, and find out the speed. So 6 by 1.5. So then, so multiply with numerator and denominator with 10. Okay, so then 60 by 15. 15 ones are 15 fours are. Okay, walking speed is how much? 4 kilometer per hour. Is it clear, guys? Okay, so in this video I am not going to show complete concept, guys. If you want to complete concept, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.